achi esa mo bibi achi bi me ba chief of man TV so wade na chief of man fire me so kwade ya mo ye ene me be bone show e fa no kaswa asama esi no nkola mienu ede omo adamfo ede kwa akwaji sikedu eya na ogbade emfa afra no kra emfesie gidi se nebusuafo be bibia omo wo bia no ye mo hyede ogbade enka omo na onjuju maame no ene papa no ene nuanum ni nia akoma ogbade enka obibia ho na de awomnie. In the first place, no, maybe say a spiritual person now, yeah, can say some nankasa no. I am who say akoba ni say. But first and foremost, no, in the realms of spirituality, no, spirituality nankasa no. I am who say obe ala unkwala say omu betu anamo in the first place. What the for music do no fanton chain. Say e ba ne say unkwala e spiritual person ho. Say onye bibi mfama no a why don't I accept? I don't accept this thing because the meaning of spirituality itself is not for children. Spirituality is not a mere thing that you say unkwala anytime unkwala betumi e di agro and I say unkwala agro. There is one thing I say, there is no mistake in spirituality. In the reality of spirituality, there is no mistake. We mistake your punishment. We are mistake now, you bear that punishment. Yawa anamombi wo ho asabe kafra yawa anamombi wo ho a wo ba betukura no spiritually ye hwe wo age ansana omoetu sa anamon ne de amam adentia because anamombi wo ho a wo betu awie no na wa wode wo ye bema wo ye oba wo spiritually no ye yi wa wode nti nkofo bebre na ma abonten so a omo edidi eduro bi pen a omo embisam ye but omo di sa eduro no a enne omo pe awo omo nsanka mai pe awo mema pe awo omo nsanka isan se omo anchire omo mu yie. So spirituality is not for children. Na waka se nkola ba won chen se omo ba be disikaduro se omo be yesikaduro ma wachire omo so omo nkope nipa ko an nipa ho ade and omo adamfo bi ade mfamra na omo nsan pe 5,000 mfanto so. I am very sad to hear this thing. I am very, very sad. Now, meaning say every spiritual person be a one bonte ho. Every good spiritual person be a otime be a no. Any gym, because in the reality of spiritual rules, this is never allowed. In the spiritual community nankasa na maame in the first place, spiritual community nankasa na mekasa so association mu a association entwe na so. Minim say police for be your de discern no association na asoche omode be ma no ye spirituality spiritual nti the police for the omo be chine ni so but association no so no bebi e wo so omone asoche bi e wo so omode ma no bia no minim say wo say kwan bia so omode ma no because spirituality is not a mere thing for children to play with. And I say akwala be ba wo so ne so na akwala be kan sam bi dia kire wo say mihia say ade we because of money you just accept ade akwala no e pe no na wa yes ade ne dia ma no dey be. Africa, we have culture. Our culture doesn't allow this thing. Real African culture doesn't allow this thing. Never. Into no debi anime come as some say omo ba TV so say ye sika no being sincere with you say ye can kure say sisu ne kure biomo. It's not real. And ye real. So betina TV so sika no and ye real ye kan kure mfanchire ye ho. We are in the spiritual world with you people. And some of you are not even in the spiritual realms. Why say creating be no more creative? No more do more general yes idea no. Intine de bia make say promoting money ritual on TV is never allowed. It's not good. Ya mamre ni amani no say be ka frasa idea ni anyintum. So I think say we should wipe away those things. Let's deal with the reality itself. Na yenjai sebe kafra na ye allow nkofo bi mo betena influencing kola no ha twin bebre na aside say influencing kola no so no ade o mo promote ne nsan ye real so I say who promote akro no because obi a o hwe me bia be dia dance say wo dey sika say wo dey 50,000 kokra sebe kafra 50,000 everything without you giving anything for it. What would see me be doing and say the amami and say and fan what your millions of cities and fa into no sabe kafa I say you promote chrono And real spirituality no yes idea way. They be real spirituality is for you to teach nkrofono ana nipa ma nipa hu sebe kafra na nim ni nechi na nipa hu sebe anamo e woso to yes sebe kafra real spirituality ne say ye ba betena ho na ye promote kwan ya fa so ye sikedro mankwala na be frɛ so mo pesikedro ma ya kyerɛ mo sebe kafra yenkopa nipa ho akwa amfambra nti any diem. Spirituality is very broad. Man can never do without spirituality. Man can never do without spirituality. Religion ever to spirituality. Spirituality is very broad. Spirituality Spirituality is humanity. Spirituality is technology. Spirituality is the world we are seeing right now. So we shouldn't condemn spirituality on this bad level. No. We should promote spirituality on our cultural level. How to go forward. How to make it possible, how to respect each other, how to promote each other, but by not discriminating, but not to be promoting how to be doing money rituals on TV. It's never allowed, it's never done. And yeah, no real spirituality no. Intini debiano ema sebe kafra no mo using malam dino, any comfort dino, no more can conform a malam for a share. Mon kan hun says a kase malama a Arab ni be kase muallim a teacher. Yakase obi oya muallim or a teacher no na ahase yebeka se malam nti malam was derived from the word muallim and comfort yakase comfort asa beka fra akane a comfort mo hye nkom omo da tumi kase ano men jindi se comfort da tumi kase ano dansuo kase ano ankasa beka ko disa adwuma wei sebe se ye de ode na adwen de nante a nti ne sebe ka fra mesre ni diem yempanyimfo mommoa na saade we ye hyase ache ye hyase say ye committee for amanfa me hyase say me kasa de we ache omunim e wo radio ache ye hwe na saade we yan clear off spirituality say nipa ne bana so or be chere spirituality amamre ni amane a fine e different nipa ne be chere real spirituality a e different but say nipa ne ba be promote sikadro e kwan a ye fa so ye sikadro be it's never allowed. We should stop these things. Promoting our culture is very much important. Promoting real spirituality is very more important than promoting money ritual. Never. Intimesre ni diem na masanya sre ebusuafo no obade enka ho na minim se inshallah ye kramfo de ye gidi se sabe kafra se bibi sei esore a ye de ndase na be manyame Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala na yasre no se onfa afra ne kra emfensiye na masanya hye ebusuafo no se omo hyede na minim say justice ebe ye adwuma minim say justice ebe ye adwuma but mama yen pre en judge but yen nya abotre na yen dom suko wasasasam we mu ye pa na minim say there are more behind this thing and there are more going on much more than this thing nti no body enka ye na ye ho na oye ye na ye kuma so ade ma de na chi for amafaya obese na temi kabio bye bye.